question 21, we're asked to factorise this. Now, first, you might think, well, this doesn't look like a normal quadratic because there's only two terms and therefore one bracket. But the only common factor to both of those is 1. And if you were to do this, we would say you haven't factorised it because it's the same thing inside of the bracket, so you're not making it any easier. And the reason we factorise is to write things in different forms to help us solve a problem. So I know that it has to be 2 brackets purely because there is no highest common factor more than 1. Now, when it looks like this, what actually is in the middle is no x's. So I'm going to rewrite it like this. So it's 4x squared plus no x's minus 9. Now, depending on how you actually factorise, you could do it through trial and error, or you could actually do a logical process. Some people might look at this, so the factors of 36 that make 0, and you have 6 and 6. But what I want to show you is, I don't want to do it because you don't have to for these ones. And this is called the difference between 2 squares. Please watch my YouTube video on that if you want a bit more clarity. But if they are both square numbers, they're always going to be the square roots here and here, always. And they have to be the same numbers in order to get this. This is why it's called the difference of 2 squares, because we'll end up cancelling out any of the x terms. So 4x squared, if we have a positive 6x and we take away a 6x, we have 0 x's, and that will give us our negative 9. There it is, it's done.